Hey, it's Dr. J. Hi students, I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to do your APA format in your papers. So we're going to start with the running head. This is the template. So the reason why the running head is grayed out is because you can double click on it. Now don't change this part. The only part you have to change is this part. So for the running head short title of the paper, just merely put the short title of your paper. So we're going to put title of paper. Okay. Now the page number moved over because your title is short. So you can either space that over here, or if you want to leave it there, that's fine with me. But for instructional purposes, I'm going to go ahead and move that over and show you how to do that. So I'm literally just using the space bar. Now you double click out of it and it's there. So now moving forward, your running head still has to change down here because this is formatted differently. So you're going to double click on this. You're going to do the same thing. Title of paper. Okay. Double click out. Now the title of your paper, which is all in caps, is going to be on the rest of your pages. Okay. So going back to the title page. You're going to have the title of your paper, your name, course date, and then your professor's name here. You're done with that title page. Abstract is not required for undergraduate students. So there's no need to do this unless you're in an MBA class or some other graduate class. We're going to go further down. Now you put the title of your paper here and you start writing here. Okay, so that's how you do it. When you go down, your references are always on the next page that is blank. So it has to have a hanging indent, meaning that this first line shows where the reference starts and the next line is indented. Okay, so and that's for all of your references. You can use BibMe to actually create your references, and now your paper is in APA format. You don't have to worry about your page numbers because they're going to automatically generate on each page based on your formatted running heads. Okay, so remember, you have to make sure you put your title of your paper here, all caps. Here, you're going to include a running head and the title, and the page is already there. All right, let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. And as always, I'm here for you and your success.